Ke lekgetlo la pele monongwaha Mopresidente a arabela dipotso ka parlamenteng mo a ileng a arabela hara tse ding potso e mabapi le ditlolo tsa molao, lenaneo la kabo botjha ya mobu le ho tlisa diphetoho tsamaisong ya mmuso.
Will work together to rationalize government departments, entities and programs over the next 3 years. This work, which will review the role of all departments, including the Department of Public Enterprises, will inform the configuration of government going into the next administration.
Mr. President, are you in receipt of this report from the Department of Public Service Administration? If so, why have you done nothing about it since 2019?
The Department of Public Service Administration in April 2019 handed over to the President a substantive report on the macro reorganization of the state. It was never done.
Mopresidente o re nakong e tlang ha o tla be ho tliswa diphetoho tsamaisong ya mmuso, lefapha la dikgwebo tsa mmuso le ka nna la fediswa.
Because their reconfiguration report had brought us to 28. And I wanted us to go below that 28. This time round, because we are dealing with two key problems. The one problem is electricity, and I did say that I would like to appoint a Minister of Electricity, which would increase the number of ministries to 29 from 28.
Ho bile le boipiletso ba hore Mopresidente a leleke letona la sepolesa Beki Cele ho latela sekgahla se hodimo sa ditlolo tsa molao e le mohato o a o qhiletseng thoko.
One of the things that this minister who you want to see dismissed is just the minister who raised the issue of the imbalance, should I call it imbalance, of the skewed ratio rather, the skewed ratio between police officers and the rise in our population.
DA e boeleditse boipiletso ba yona ba hore matona a sepolesa diprofenseng le ona a fuwe matla a tuma.
In terms of Chapter 11 of the Constitution, the responsibility of the National Commissioner to control and manage the single National Police Service cannot be transferred to a member of the Provincial Executive Council or to a municipal council.
Ditabeng tsa matjhaba Mopresidente o boletse hore Afrika Borwa e nkile bodulasetulo ba BRICS mme e tla sebedisa maemo ana ho lwanela kopano ya lebatowa le tshebedisano.
The BRICS countries agree that the United Nations must remain at the center of multilateralism and be reformed to make it more effective, more inclusive, and much more representative of the global community. This includes reform of the United Nations Security Council.
Afrika Borwa e tlo amohela baeti sebokeng sa BRICS e leng ho tshwarwa ka kgwedi ya Phato. O boetse a netefaletsa baetsi ba molao hore o tla tjhaella monona setshwantsho sa molao sa ho nkuwa ha mobu ntle le ditlhapiso hang ha sa ikgotsofaditse hore se ikamahanya le molao wa motheo.